Let's see how to do the Unit 3 Final Test Study Guide Question 1. Find the value of the variables in the diagram. Show your work by highlighting your diagram and showing the equations. Use typical convention when showing the work for your equations. This is just like our project that we completed. So in this diagram, the first thing I notice is right here is a straight angle or a straight line. So that means these two angles must combine together and be supplementary. So h plus 83 is 180 degrees because it's supplementary. Using typical conventions, minus 83 on both sides, and we get h equals 97 degrees. All right. Then, right here, I see vertical angles. I notice that this G is across from this 83 in an X shape. So therefore, G equals 83 degrees. The bottom of the diagram is similar. I notice here is a supplementary angle. So these two combine to make 180 degrees. Subtract 56 from both sides. 124 equals to M. And again, I notice vertical angles here. So this one and this one. So K equals 56. That's all the variables on that diagram. Let's see another. Let's see this one right here. First, I notice vertical angles here and here. That must mean that this angle here, even though it's unlabeled, is 35 degrees. Then I notice complementary angles here. So this, and this angle combine to 90 degrees. W plus 35 plus W equals 90 degrees. Let's combine our like terms. 2W plus 35 equals 90. Subtract 35 from both sides. So we get 2W equals 90, 80, 70, 60, 55. Then divide by 2 on both sides. W is 25, 26, 27, 27 and a half degrees. Let's look at a problem like this one over here. There's a lot going on, so it can appear tricky. But I notice here a straight angle, so these two angles are supplementary. W plus 148 equals 180. Subtract 148 from both sides. And we get W equals, that's going to be 32 degrees. Let's look at one final one here. This one can appear tricky at first, but I noticed vertical angles here. So that means this angle is across from these three angles. So they must be the same. M plus 66 plus M equals 120. Combine my like terms. 2M plus 66 equals 120. Subtract 66 from both sides. So 2M equals, that's going to be 54. And then divide by 2 on both sides. M equals 27. To see other problems like this, please remember to check the solution.